What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to make a video showing you my first of many mods for the Honda S2000. So I put a video up recently showing you guys little teasers of all the stuff that's going on current, but I didn't had a chance to go make a video when I went ahead and picked up some of those mods, only because time was a big constraint, and also having the camera on hand and recording is just, I was just too busy. But anyway, I wanted to make this first video to show a mod that I picked up about a couple months ago, and I just haven't had a chance to post it up or continue the build process. Like I said early in the summer that I was gonna really enjoy making this S2000 build, and I don't get many views on those videos, unfortunately, which I understand, like, this channel was built off the Lexus aspect of it, but I just am really enjoying this Honda S2000 and all of the stuff that surrounds in it. I just didn't think I would go back into buying another Honda or whatever, owning one, but now that I have an S2000 and get to enjoy it, I really like this car. So here we go, the first mod. Well, technically the second mod. This is a Mugen Hardtop, painted white already. The sides are black. The back is like a plexiglass slash acrylic material, and it's also tinted. So I picked the top up from my buddy. He had one already, it was already painted, so I saved some money from getting like another color and then getting it painted. If anything, I would have wrapped it, but I really like the fact that it's already white, just like my car. This is an authentic Mugen hardtop. I didn't want to buy a forbidden hardtop. I didn't want to buy any replicas, only because fitment issues and leaking and all that stuff. Like, this is a really good car, and it's a virgin for the most part. It's not molested, so I wanted to treat the car well. I didn't want to go ahead and buy some crappy parts for it, just because I think the car deserves a lot more than what most people are doing to the S2000 these days. Money is obviously a big constraint for some people, but the way I see it, do it right the first time. So I went ahead and bought the Mugen hardtop, and it fits flawlessly. It doesn't leak, doesn't make any noise. It does creak a little bit, and I gotta figure out why. I think that's because of the mounts on the car, where the strikers go in. It might be slightly off, causing it to slightly creak when I go to back the car out in an angle, in like a dip or something like that, which I think is pretty common because it's a convertible and you're adding another reinforced piece on top, so it's gonna make some kind of noise. But I'm gonna do a walk around and show you guys the hardtop and see how great of a condition this is. And this thing is probably over 10 years old. As you can see, the hardtop is flawless. The rubber seal is really nice and clean, almost brand new. Look at it from the side. It is painted black. Makes it a lot sleeker than one solid color, in my opinion. Coming up to the front, see how nice and clean that edge is, as well as the inside. Inside is fiberglass. I'll flip it around in a minute so you can see the inside, but on the outside you can see the design has a nice little airstream on top as well as the side. Again, clean. One thing about the Mugen hardtop you have to really consider is you want to see right here, that line, that's from the trunk opening up and smacking it. Right now I have it not touching at all, like literally paper thin space, but I can probably compound that out in the future. I just haven't had a chance to detail the car yet, that's why you haven't seen any videos on it. So yeah, let me go ahead and flip this around and let's see the inside of the hardtop. Alright guys, here's the inside of the hardtop. This is a fiberglass hardtop, so Mugen does make a carbon fiber one, which is super nice, but I can't afford the carbon fiber one, so the fiberglass would do. As you can see how nicely the seal looks on the inside. It is tinted. Here's the badge, authentic Mugen. I've seen some where it's not engraved or stamped. Some of them are printed, which is kind of weird. I guess it's a different generation, but for the most part I've seen it stamped, so it looks pretty good. Got nice rubber seal here. These are the OEM strikers instead of those crappy one-piece metal ones that I've seen online. This is really nice. The handle locks in place. But yeah, that's the inside of the Mugen Hardtop for those who are interested. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little video of me reviewing the Mugen Hardtop. I'm going to be putting this back on the car, but honestly the weather's been really nice in Florida, so I took it off to do this video and also to drive around with top down during the day. So this is going to be sitting here for a little bit. I might put it back on just to clear up some space in the garage. But to give you a little bit of a teaser of what's coming up in the next video, I think I'm going to go ahead and shoot this video this week and release it next week. But I also got an aftermarket bumper. Okay, so you're gonna have to stay tuned for that video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, leave a comment if you're a big authentic junkie, and also if you have a Honda S2000, what kind of mods you got going on for that. But yes, catch me on the next video when I review some wheels that I picked up maybe. So you gotta stay tuned for that. Peace.